I've had some pretty good luck on these recently.
Oh yeah?
For trout.
Pretty good.
Bet weak fish will eat them. Ooh, there we go. On the artificial. Another weak fish.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I was just jigging the plastic off the bottom. Sheesh. They like the plastic. Golly, they're smoking it. There you go.
That looks a little better than that last one.
Need a net?
This feels pretty strong.
Oh.
Oh no, it's right wrong.
All right.
Dream come true. What I'm looking for.
Hey.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Stand down like a big red.
Seems like he's somewhat off the bottom though, yeah. Oh, big ol' red. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a grown one. It's probably, I don't know, 36?
Probably. Yeah, definitely 30s.
Yeah.
Right in the lip.
Perfectly hooked, yeah. Super fat.
Yeah.
That's
Oh
super
yeah.
fat.
Oh yeah.
That thing's heavy, I bet.
That's a heavy fish, boy.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Big old male, hear him drumming.
Yeah, yeah. He's up there.
Yeah. He's a fat one.
I know, just the belly's
That is a
insane.
fat one. What is he? Yeah.
Right around 20?
Just over 21 maybe.
21, nice.
That baby.
Hold him up.
Look at that big old fish,
Look at
boy.
that beast. It's cool, all the ones that are on the rocks are so beat up.
Yeah, beautiful tail.
Sheesh.
That's a big fat fish right there, boy. Big old fatty.
Oh yeah, already got some energy.
There you go.
There's, heck yeah.